How to create a link to a different page on Wix. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a link to a different page on Wix. So let's get started. So what does it mean? I will be able to create a page and then add a link of another page of my same website on Wix. How to do that? So you simply go to your menu and pages right here. Once you open up your site pages, it will show you different pages that you have. Now we want to create, and your website will have different pages, of course. And what we need to do is, let's say that I want to add another page link to this page, my home page. So you will find the add page option here, and then we have add a link. Click on add a link, and now you have to choose that which page you want to go for. So we have different options available, but you're going to select page from here. And now we get all of our pages of our website right here. So I want to add the link for my account. Now this is one of the page on my website. You simply select page, then you select which page you want to add the link for, and then we can select how does it open, new window or current window. So I want it to be open on the current window, so I'm going to select this option. And then we have advanced SEO settings as well that you can choose from here. So once you have select the page, and now click on done, and there you go, you can see that you have a new link to this page. And now I will be able to add page name. So my page, I can name it again if I want, and I'm gonna name it again my information. Okay, this looks good. I'm gonna click on done. And now this is my page, and this is my page link that I added right here on my Wix website. This is how it opens. You can see now this is one of the linked pages on my home page right here. This brings us to the end. I hope that I was a big help. And now you know how to create a link to a different page on Wix. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.